Here's another hair and stuff, that wig that I'm going to make on a sewing machine. I got this from the beauty supply store, guys. This was $27, and it has this little fake closure piece, guys. And that's what it looked like on the other side. And I got the dome cap, guys. So, guys, and this one I got it with the breathable. So, guys, I'm going to put this together, and you guys are going to do a sew along with me. So, stay tuned, guys. And what I'm going to do when I put each piece on, guys, and then I stop the video, sew it, come back. You guys know how I do. So, I don't make the video too long. But this is the next project coming up. Alrighty, guys. Bye-bye. So, as you guys know, I always take the first track, guys, and put it all the way down there at the bottom. So if you want to pull it up, you'll be able to pull it up. And then when I start sewing my wig, I always secure the closure piece on there, guys, so just I can get that out of the way. So now, guys, it's going to be pretty much self-explanatory. I'm going to start laying the tracks 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And then, guys, the thicker you want it, the closer you want it together. Not so thick, the farther you want it together. And then once I get up here, guys, I'm going to come back because remember I start changing the directions. So I'm using my longest hair, which is the 18-inch, guys. So, so far that's what I got, and I'm going to start sewing more, and I should come back to you guys with the next step. And guys, people wonder, do I use a zigzag stitch or a straight stitch? Yes, I can use a zigzag stitch, but guys, the reason why it's on this canvas head, because I like to put it on here to make sure that it's going to fit my head like a glove. Alrighty, guys, bye-bye. Guys, so far this is what I got. I got the closure on, and this is the 18-inch hair that's on there. So now I'm going to start, and I'm going to switch the direction, guys. So I always like to put my closure on to get that on out of the way so I don't have to worry about that later. So I like to get that out of the way. So now what I'm going to do is put it back on, and this is to assure the fit. So now that I got it back on, and now I'll just start tracing out the next track and how I want it. So we're just going to continue, and when I get to a different step, guys, I'll bring you guys back. Alrighty. Hey guys, so I got a lot more done. I just got this space up here left. I'm going to try it on again, guys. And then, guys, I'm going to finish this one up tomorrow because I can't get no work done. I got my grandbaby, and she is not going to let me get this done. But I always like to keep doing a dry fitting, guys, when you're doing it on the sewing machine, so it can fit well. So yeah, but it's fitting well. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all how much I got left in the back.
We made it through thanks to you. Boogie time, you boogie too. Let's see what kind of boogie you.
So I got that much left, guys, and I'm going to continue to keep sewing, but I'm not going to sew no more today, guys. I'm going to go ahead and call it a night, and I'll finish this up tomorrow. And like I said, I like it. I like it a lot. So, and this is how the inside of the cap look. So I'll finish sewing, guys, until I get it all done. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Guys, good morning. So we're finishing off the final steps of the wig that I was working on. And guys, with this beauty supply store hair, this hair is a lot thinner. So if you guys want to double the tracks, but I don't like for mine to be extremely full. This is kind of full, but I'm going to show you guys what I mean when I say the tracks are thin. And you can sew them together and make them thicker. So you might want to do 2 packs of this hair versus 1. So okay then, guys, I'm going to finish. So now I change the direction, and now I'm just going to take them like this until I close off the final thing. So when I come back, the wig will be all complete, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so after you do, the last final step is closing that off. So now what I'm going to do is flip it over, and I'm going to take the concealer and take it down the part. This is what's going to make it look like scalp when you get ready to wear it. So you just take the concealer and go right down, and you're done. And you can be ready to wear it. So I'm going to flip it over and see. And then I blend it through this way. No, don't stick nothing in your ear. Sorry, my grandbaby found a Q-tip trying to stick it in her ear. So if you guys see, that is your final step. So now the wig is complete, guys. And you can be ready to wear it. So if you guys do this, pick up this from your local beauty supply store. Just sew it all and complete it. Add the concealer, guys, and it is ready, guys. So when I wear this unit, I will go live and kind of show you guys. So that is, stop, Mara. That is the completed process, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the wig. I love the wig. I love the hair. It one pack did it for me, but if you want it fuller, guys, you can make it with 2 packs. And guys, you can also try the hot glue gun method, but I just really enjoy the sewing machine method with the wig. So these is just different shots of the final result of that wig that I made on a sewing machine. So as always, guys, thank you guys and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.